with a bottle of Jack. 'Cause when I leave for the night, I ain't coming back. I'm talking pedicure on our toes, toes. Trying on all our clothes, clothes. Boys blowing up our phones, phones. I probably shouldn't say this, but
Welcome once again to Caitlin's Awesome Sauce Web Show. Please, no smoking, crying, or crying during the show. Enjoy! Cold. All better. I have an idea. I'll go shopping. But first I need my hat. That's good. But wait, I need my scarf. And I can't forget my dog, Goober. Good dog. Let's go. I don't think so. Anyone there? Murder! Oh.
Can I help you?
How much is this jacket?
This?
Yes.
I'm sorry, ma'am, but that is like $10 million.
Are you kidding me? I could totally buy that. Now, I will make money. Yay! Keep the change.
Well, thanks. Here's your jacket.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Bye. But there's one last trick that I want to show you. Bye.
Okay, turn it off.